Okay, so this is the project right here. This is a Yardman by MTD dual direction tine tiller. They call it a 450 series. It has seen its better days, but its days are not numbered. The previous owner, you might say, ran it until the tines came off. There are no bearings left in this whatsoever. And the case, the chain case is destroyed because of that. Like I was saying, the chain case is destroyed because of that. But I got this for a song, and I'm going to fix it. So what we're going to have to do here is we're going to remove the motor, remove the handle, remove all this, remove the wheels, get it up on sawhorses, and split the cover. You can see it's two pieces of stamped aluminum or stamped steel sandwiched together. I've already located replacement sides. Parts are still available. So 2 sides, bearings, seals, and whatever else I find that is in need of love, we'll get it. Motor runs great. So we're going to give this a second chance at life. That's all I got for now.